Hello everyone, Sam here from creativetradingsystems.com. I'm making this video about my entry and my system. Somebody posted on a comment on my video saying that he want to see me making a video before the setup so that he would know that, this indicator, when it repaints, the entries is still there. So he's basically concerned about the repainting, right? So as I remember the name, it's like spider or something. So if you're listening, so this is video, this a video I'm making for you, right? So now, making a video before the entry doesn't mean anything. Why? Because I don't know if the setup is going to build. So I have an alarm there, right? So when the setup is built, it beeps. What is the setup? The setup is that this indicator is all the way up. Yellow line is below the black. Price goes in here, blue candles, but then you have a reversal candle and one red candle is being posted. And after that, immediately when the red candle being posted, the indicators start beeping. And that's how I know that the setup is there. Otherwise, I would have to sit and watch 20 pairs and all the time the which setup is building. No, I don't have to. I open all of these, like 20 of them, and in bottom you can see it, right? And I have the alarm on. Anywhere the setup is ready, it beeps me. And when it beeps, I go and then take the trade if I feel like, if it's a good one, right? Now, repenting. So let me explain to you that. See this trade here, this entry here? It was yesterday, not yesterday, I think it's Monday. There was a long entry here going up there, right? And let me show you the trade. This was the trade. See that? Exactly the same thing? Okay. Remember that. So it's still there, exactly the same way, even though I refreshed the chart many, many times in 3 days, last 3 days. But it is still there. My entry was before the taking, it was like that. And after the, refreshing the chart, it was like that. Now, this is the entry that I took just now. This is a live trade still on. You can see the price is moving, right? Here. See, 2707, 6, 7 is just, so this is a live trade right now going on. Now I'm going to refresh this chart and then you see if I have any changes in the setup, all right? So let me do it manually. This is my 5-minute chart. I refresh it. Now, see, there is no repenting. That doesn't mean that this indicator don't repent. Yes, it did. It does, right? But it did it before my entry or my alarm beeps for the entry. How? How is it possible if I have 20 pairs open and am I sitting there and just refreshing all of them every minute? No, somebody else is doing for me. Now, who is that somebody? That's a little program. See this sitting here? This is called auto clicker, right? If you record by refreshing all of them, 5-minute, boom, 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 refresh, this, all the 5-minute refresh, and then recording stop. Now you have to set a key, which I have set key number 8. If I press the key number 8, automatically all that program will start automatically and all my charts will be refreshed within a minute, right? But now the question is, who's going to press the key every minute? So for that, I have this. It's called key presser. So you have set this up, and the time that how often the key need to be pressed, it will do the job. It will press the F8 key every this time, and then as soon as the F8 key is pressed, my refreshing starts. Let me show you how. So I'm going to start this thing here from here and watch what happens. I'm not touching anything, okay? See, Euro Aussie 5-minute. Now this Pound Aussie 5-minute refreshing. Pound USD refreshing. Euro USD refreshing. Pound Yen. Euro Yen. USD Yen. Aussie Yen. CAD yen, and I'm back to pound USD watching, and it stops. Now, I'm not going to touch anything. Now they are all refreshed. And look, nothing happened, no changes whatsoever in my shape of the candles. It's not repainting because I refreshed it. So every second, now within few seconds, the program will start automatically. I'm not touching anything. You see? It'll start because I have the time set that, every few seconds, it starts again. So I have this thing on all of my computers. I open the MT4, set up the charts, and then I put these two little things here. They're small things, don't take much time or whatever. It's like, you set it up and that's it. You forget. Don't touch the computer. Don't do anything at all. You see, so again, refresh. Everything is refreshed. Same setup, same things. So this one is right now is running. By the way, this pound USD, this is the chart, the weekly chart. I posted in one of my where the heck it go? Last video, I posted this chart as the best setup for this week. Oops, wrong. See, that program kicked in, and because this is the recording is not for this, so let me stop that. I just hit the F8 to stop it. So now I'm going to stop this while I'm showing this. So this is the chart. Not this, man. What's up? Where it is? Okay. So this is the chart I posted in my video. You can see my last video, and you can see the chart when it was all the way touching the TL. Now it will start dropping. It will start dropping, and I was expecting it, and I posted on my video ahead of time, 2 days ahead of time, and now it is dropping. So if it's dropping, all I had to do is just see if my alarm beeps. If the alarm beep, I see it. Yeah, okay, yeah, I was expecting it, so I took the entry. When it moves below this, I came and sit on the break even plus 5 pip, and it is 70 pip right now because I'm going to close it now, by the way, because the daily range is around 100 pips. So I think it's going to stop here and not going to go anymore. Actually, it did that pip. See, the highest point is this, right? So from highest to low, it did already 135. So where the heck is going to go now? It's going to reverse, right? So I'm going to close it after I close the video. So I hope you understand that how I'm operating here, right? This system, yeah, this indicator repent, but I have a solution for that. It's so easy. It's automatically all the time refreshing, and I get the proper, accurate setup all the time. And that when this setup right here, when the candle is here, one red candle, my alarm beep, and then window pops up on my screen, right? So I know exactly which pair. So I go there and I see it, and then boom, you open the trade. Put the SL is always 25 pip. When you open a trade here, I put my SL right here, or just above it. That's it. 25, maximum 30 pip. And after that, when it takes out the last low, I come and sit on a break even. That's the name of the game. All right. So this is how I solved my repaint problem. It's not a problem anymore at all. In fact, it's a very good thing that, see, now it's not doing it because I stopped it. I'm going to start it again here. Look, start, boom, and I move my hand away. That's it. It's doing automatically. It's refreshing everything. Quick, fast, easy. I can even walk away, go to sleep, and it will keep doing every few seconds. It will refresh the chart. So my charts are always up to date. And when the entry comes, that entry comes exactly the proper entry. Okay. No refreshing, no anything. See, it's done. Okay. So this is how it's done. So hope you understand now. And that is the best I can do. And that's it. So like I said, like you said, that before the entry, I don't know if the entry is going to be, coming or not. If you say that, okay, make the entry, I make a video so that I can have an entry and then it will drop. I don't know. Maybe it's going to take 2 days to make an entry, right? But once the entry is done there, the setup is built up, the reversal candle is in place, and then one more trigger candle is made. After that, I would know that, okay, there is a setup, the alarm is beeping, and I come and then take it if I'm expecting that. Sometimes there is a false alarm. And by the way, sometimes my SL hit. Yes, it's not that all the time 100%, loss proof system. No, if I have 5 or 6 trades going in my way this much, and I have 3 SL hit, one for 15 pip, one for 25 pip, one for 5 pip, I don't care about those. I care about these 70 pip, 100 pip, 80 pip, 120 pip trades. They are like that. All of my trade like that. Let me see. Oh, let me stop it. Let me just stop this stupid thing, and then and whenever you need to do some work, you just stop this, and that's it. It's not going to interfere, and you can do your thing. So this is pound USD. I have this Aussie USD, same thing exactly. 75 pip. This is from 7-minute chart, 95 pip. Then this is the entry, pound yen, yesterday, 115 pips from 7-minute chart. This is the entry, pound yen. And I have another entry right now going on pound yen, short. And then this is US 30. I made the video yesterday about these 2 entries coming in. All right. So this is how it is. All right. So this is it for now. If you have any question, email me, myforexmagicwave@gmail.com. myforexmagicwave@gmail.com. All right. So, I'll try to explain. That's it. But still, if you still don't understand that, that's, I would suggest that, you go and, stop watching my videos. That's it. If you don't understand something, just stay away. I have a saying to myself, is like, if I have a doubt, cut it out. Simple as that. All right. Okay. So this is it for now. Thanks for watching, and have a wonderful, wonderful rest of the week, trading day. Stop recording. Yeah.